do you think you are? Right on living scars. Guilty or just a part? Dear love apart. You gotta catch a call from the other side or soul. So don't come back for me. What do you think you are? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how is it going? Well, what happens when a child is accepted over our mother? Could it lead to regret or something much worse? This is a heartbreaking tale you won't forget. Well, today I'm Sabita Addhiya from SMP Muhammadiyah Al-Kautsar program khusus. I'm going to tell you the story about the legend of Crying Stone. Once upon a time, in a small village in Kalimantan, Indonesia, there lived a poor widow and her only daughter. The daughter was very beautiful, but sadly, she was also very spoiled, arrogant, and ungrateful. Despite their poverty, the mothers always tried to provide everything her daughter wanted. The daughter hated being seen with his mothers, especially when they went to the market. She was ashamed of her mother's old and rich clothes. So, every time they went out together, she forced her mother to walk behind her. The villagers often watched this behavior with sadness, but the mother never complained. Her heart was full of love, and she accepted everything her daughter did with patience. One day, when they went to the market together, they passed by many people. When asked what the old woman behind her, the daughter said that she was only a servant. The mother was heartbroken. Hearing her daughter deny their relationship. Tears welled up in her eyes, but she said nothing. At that very moment, something strange began to happen. Skies turned dark, the wind howled loudly, and thunder rumbled. Then, right before everyone's eyes, the girl's body started to turn into stone. From her feet, slowly creeping up to her head. The daughter screamed and begged for forgiveness, but it was too late. The transformation complete. She became a statue, a crying stone with tears still seen flowing from her eyes. The mother could only weep, but deep in her heart, she hoped the story will be remembered, a reminder for every child to always love and respect their parents. And until this day, in Kalimantan, people say the crying stone still stands, silent, crying, forever telling story of pride, regret, and mother's unconditional love. No matter how far we go in life, we must never forget the people who raised us. Beauty fades, fame fades, but mother's love is forever. Respect your parents while you still can, because regret has no voice, only tears. Well, that's all my story. Thank you for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.